Very good. Let's continue with the topic. The video got ended in the last video. The topic was incomplete. Continue from there only. So the reaction with acid will actually be what? We all know it will be neutralization reaction in simple words. Okay, because ammonia behaves like base only, right? So NH3, let's take any acid, let's take HCl, will give us what? And a salt and water, right? So let's write the salt. What will be the salt? It will be NH3 or NH4. Tell me. It will be NH4 every time. Okay. NH3 is just one compound. If it is bonded with anybody else, it becomes NH4. Okay, everybody. So that keep this in mind. Next, this is called this is called ammonia chloride or ammonium chloride. Tell me.
Ammonium chloride.
Yeah, keep this in mind. Ammonium chloride. Very good. So that was all. We are not getting water just now. You might be thinking because just now it's not full base. Yes, it's behaving like a base, but it's not a base because it's not having any oxide or hydroxide, isn't it? Is it having any hydroxide or oxide? Tell me, is it having? No, it's not having, right? So that's why it will not react like bases just now. But yes, indeed, it is having basic properties. Let's make a base of NH3 like NH4OH. This is also having NH3 somewhere embedded inside. Yes or no? So that will react with HCl to give us what? A salt and water. Understood? I hope that it's clear. Now let's we move on to reaction with oxygen. Let's do. Reaction with oxygen, how will it react with water? I've already told you all, like NH3 plus O2 will give us N2 plus H2O. Yes, nitrogen gas and H2O. Okay, now let's okay, I'll just tell you one more thing, that this reaction of oxygen, okay, reaction with oxygen is actually called catalytic oxygen also when we apply a catalyst. Example, when we apply a catalyst such as platinum. Understood? So let's see the catalytic oxidation. Catalytic oxidation of NH3. Let's take a catalyst. Let's take NH3 for instance. Okay. So if I take NH3 here, what will happen? NH3 plus O2. Let's take platinum as the catalyst. Platinum. Okay. Let's take the temperature as 800 degrees Celsius. Will give us what? H2O. For sure, we'll get right. So write H2O before only. Okay. Write H2O before only. Now we are left with what? We are left with NO, right? That is what? Not stable. Is it stable? NO. Is it stable? Have you ever heard of this compound? NO. Have you ever heard of this compound? No, na? So this is what you can write here, that it's unstable. Okay. This is what? Unstable. Okay. Next, NO2. NO plus O2. Again, it will react with O2 to give us what? NO2. This is what? This is stable. And anybody who will tell me the color of this, what will be the color of this?
Colorless.
Reddish brown. Okay. It will be reddish brown. Reddish brown. Next, we move on to the next reaction. We'll now react it with metal salts that we mentioned, right? So let's write it. Metal salts. Reaction with metal salts. Okay. So let's start with the first example. So let's take a metallic salt. I'll just give you the general equation first of all. of all, metallic salt plus ammonium hydroxide will give us what? Will give us ammonium salt plus metallic hydroxide. Okay, now let's take an example of this. Let's take metallic salt as
Ayush,
Cu. Okay, Cu is a. Okay, so what will it give us? It will give us the ammonium salt. Ammonium salt is what? NH4. Here we'll get which salt? NH4Cl or NH4SO4. Tell me NH. So first of all, we'll be getting the metallic hydroxide. Let's just write the metallic hydroxide. What is the metal? Cu. What will it hydroxide be? OH whole twice, isn't it? Now let's write ammonium salt. What will be the ammonium salt be? Here NH4Cl will not be there. Why? Because SO4 is here. Right? NH4 SO4. Now, what is the valency of SO4? It's -2. So it will get crossed and we'll get NH4 whole twice SO4. Understood? Understood, everybody? So that is the
Yes.
reaction here. Let's take one more example. For instance, let's take PbNO3 whole twice. That means lead nitrate. Okay, lead is a metal, and we have taken its salt. And let's take ammonium hydroxide again, and then we'll get this metallic twice. Yes, and will become ammonium salt. Ammonium salt will be get NH4 NO. Yeah. We move on to the next experiment. FeCl3. That means ferric chloride. Okay, plus NH4C, NH4OH. It will give us what we all know: FeOH whole twice plus NH4Cl. Simple. Everything is the same. Just these things can keep on changing. Cl, NO3, and everything else. Okay. Yes, is insoluble in excess. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next reaction with carbon dioxide. So now let's see how will this react with CO2, that is carbon dioxide. So NH3 plus CO2. I've already told you what will it give us. It will give us urea, isn't it? Now comes the formula of urea, very important thing. So first of all, there are some conditions that are there, and then we will get urea. What are the conditions? We want 150 degrees Celsius temperature, and we also want 150 atm pressure. Okay, and urea's formula is NH2 CO. Okay, it's CONH2. This is urea. Very simple. See, write CO in between, it's having CO, and write NH2 NH2. That is urea. Understood? NH2 NH2 side by side, and in the middle is urea. Okay. Next, let's move on to, okay, you all know now oxidation and reduction. What is this? I've already told you all in electrolysis only, right? So ammonia is a very nice reducing agent. Okay, so let's see how is it a reducing agent. So let's
you
write
don't see water.
ammonia as reducing agent. Yes, Rajat. So let's see how NH3 is a good reducing agent. What is reducing agent? What is reduction? Reduction is gain of electrons, gain of hydrogen, loss of oxygen, isn't it? Everybody might be knowing. If you're not knowing, you can just watch my videos of electrolysis. Okay, let's see. So ammonia, first of all, as a reducing agent, it reacts with chloride to reduce it. Okay, let's see how does it reduce. NH3 plus Cl2. Okay, that is NH3 is in gas and Cl is also in gas. Okay, Now, how will it react? It will NH2, we'll get NH2, oh, I'm sorry, N2 plus HCl. Can you see here what has happened? Can you see what has happened? It was having hydrogen. Hydrogen is being lost, isn't it? And now see what are we doing here? Here is an addition of hydrogen, isn't it? What is addition of hydrogen? It's reduction, isn't it? So it's a good reducing agent. It's helping him to reduce. Yes or no? So it's a very good reducing agent. Understood, guys? Yes. Tell me fast, 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 fast. Yeah, sure. I'll re-explain this. See, NH3 plus Cl2 will give us N2 plus HCl. Okay. Now, how is it react? How is it reducing? See, what is the reduction? Reduction, first of all, tell me what is reduction? Reduction is what? Gain of electron. Yes or no? Gain of hydrogen and what? Loss of oxygen, isn't it? These three things are reduction. Can you see here? Chlorine here in the left hand side was without hydrogen, and here can you see it's with hydrogen? Has it got reduced? Has it fulfilled one criteria of reduction, gain of hydrogen? Yes or no? That
Yes.
is why NH3 is a good reducing agent. Let's move on to the next thing. This is there in the syllabus. Please pay attention to it. Okay. Next, we move on to, yeah. Then chloride has we have done chloride. Then you can also write it like this. This HCl then will again, okay, can again react with NH3 to form what? NH4Cl. Okay. What has happened here? What has happened here? See, NH4Cl it has become now, isn't it? Means it has taken away hydrogen. Yes, so reduced as it gains hydrogen, it has gained hydrogen. Here you can just write a short equation. See, this is in this nothing oxidation reduction, nothing is happening. You can just write a short equation from this that NH3 plus Cl2 will give us NH4Cl ultimately. And you see that ultimately we are getting NH4Cl only. Yes, HCl again reacts with the gaseous NH3 and we again get NH4Cl. Yes or no? So ultimately we are getting what? Is it understood? At last we are getting NH4Cl. Is it understood or you are having that? I'll re-explain it.
Yes, understood.
Okay. Next, let's move on. To one more example. Let's take NH3 again with chlorine again. NH3 plus chlorine again. Okay, with chlorine again. Now what will it give? We already have done this, but it will give some different examples. Why? Because we have taken chlorine in excess now. In excess. So what will be getting? We'll be getting HCl again plus NCl3. What is this NCl? This NCl is a new compound which we have just came to know about, and it's very explosive. Okay, it's very explosive. That's why we should not add excess Cl2 to ammonia. Understood? Let's see the reaction with metallic oxides. Reaction with just now as a reducing agent, we saw the reaction with chlorine, isn't it? Let's see the reaction with metallic oxides. So let's take any metallic oxides like PbO plus NH3. PbO is a metallic oxide, isn't it? So what will we get? We will get Pb plus N2 plus H2O. Can you see what has happened here? PB was having oxygen, but now PB is vidwa, it's widow, it's not having any oxygen with it. Yes or no? So that means what? It has undergone what? Reduction. That's why NH3 is a good reducing agent. Understood, guys? Is it getting clear? I've given you ample amount of examples. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now we move on to the preparation of NH3. So let's now see how can we prepare NH3 on a large scale. Okay, so let's start with it. So I've brought a page from my notes here. So you can see here, first of all, we are taking the industrialization method. Okay, so let's just take the pen and then we'll start. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, see, we are doing it on a large scale, and that is called the Haber's process because the scientist who discovered was named as Haber. Okay, so it is named after the scientist who discovered it. Okay, so this is the whole thing which we are having. So guys, I'll be covering this whole preparation of NH3 in the next video. I hope that everybody has understood so far that we have done in this video. In the next video, we'll be covering the whole of preparation, both on a large scale and a small scale by using chlorides and nitrides. And then we'll be studying the uses of it among the ICC friends.